Here's how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. Now, if you accidentally deleted an app, maybe you forgot what it was, but you just want to go back and reinstall it or maybe hide it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you're going to head into the App Store here on your iPhone. You can actually also do this on a Mac computer or an iPad, anything that's associated and tied to your Apple ID. At the top right, let's tap on your profile icon. And now all we need to do is scroll down and you can see the first option there, Apps. Let's tap on Apps. And then at the top, let's tap on My Apps here. And now it'll show you all of the apps, but you can switch over to Not on this iPhone. These are apps that you downloaded and installed, but they're no longer on your phone. You can see at the very top, Apple Support, for instance. Now you have two different options from here. One is you can swipe to the left and you can hide this and it will remove it from this list. But also if you wanted to go back and reinstall it, say I want to play Plants and Zombies again, I can just tap on that cloud icon and it will reinstall that deleted app back onto my iPhone and you're good to go.